The hunting ground where he's been for quite some time.
Takes a shot! A slipper from the goalkeeper sends a rocket into the back of the net. No one expected it from that distance. Not the least of which the man in Abdul Chimera could expect that to come his way. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, another one for the highlight reel, another one for the commercials. Andrew Kawoya sends shockwaves down Police FC. Is the ball back in, player goes down. And Navada points to the spot. Penalty here. UPDF with a chance to double the tally. Will they make it count? Yes, they do. Ibrahim Bisimwe slots it beautifully into the back of the net. Anyone who has attended goalkeeping class will tell you this could be the latest opportunity. Balinya goes in! And he replicates it finally. We called for it.
And was tactically mpira abasambi bakyamusemu naffe ndowooza ku bench ne tutabala bulungi mpira ne kitukostinga naye we can start from here next game.
Comes up here. This is it! Equalizer! Equalizer here from Sozi. And just like that.
Bwegute bwegutambudde gubadde guwedde bbiri. Bwe tweyongerayo Nakinku mu muzannyo gw'ensambagere ono Richard Damulira asuze